In your Globe Smart Ceiling Fan Box, you will find the mounting bracket, decorative cover, assembled down rod, fan motor housing, canopy ring, canopy, light cover, LED light plate, 5 fan blades, 5 blade arms, remote control, receiver, mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To install your ceiling fan, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. On the motor housing, loosen the 2 base screws to allow the downrod placement. Next, remove the locking pin from the downrod. Slide the canopy onto the downrod, then add the canopy ring. Ensure it is facing upwards. Finally, add the decorative cover. Next, carefully feed the wiring through the downrod. Once through, place the downrod into the fan motor housing and align the holes accordingly. Secure by reinstalling the locking pin. Then, tighten the screws until you feel resistance. Next, lower the decorative cover. You can now proceed to install the fan blades. With your desired finish facing down, attach the fan blade to the blade arm using the included blade arm washers and screws, and repeat the process for the remaining blades. Unscrew and completely remove the plastic protectors from the motor housing and discard. With your desired finish facing up, install the first blade between the 2 arrows on the motor housing. Then secure the blade using the included fan blade screws. Tighten well to ensure the fan has no wobble. For easiest access to the screws, rotate housing to align the screw holes below opening. Next, loosen any 2 of the 3 pre-installed screws on the motor housing and completely remove the 3rd screw. Connect the LED light module wire to the motor housing wire. Then, line up the 2 light plate keyholes with the 2 remaining screws and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Reinstall the 3rd screw and tighten all 3 screws to fully secure the light plate. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using your junction box's pre-existing screws, secure the included mounting bracket to your ceiling's junction box. Then, loosen the mounting bracket's canopy screws. Lift the assembled fan to the ceiling and place the hanger ball into the mounting bracket opening. Rotate the fan as needed to ensure the groove on the hanger ball drops into the slot on the bracket and sits firmly. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket. Then, connect the 2 cables from the receiver to the 2 matching colored cables from the fan motor housing. Connect the hot black wire from the junction box to the black wire from the fan, and the neutral white wire from the junction box to the white wire from the fan. Secure with the wire nuts. Next, connect the junction box's ground wires and all ground wires from the fan together. Next, lift the canopy. Align the keyholes to the mounting screws and rotate clockwise to lock into place. Tighten the screws to secure. Next, raise the canopy ring and align the arrowed slots to the mounting screws. Push the ring into the screws until the screw heads click into the slots. Rotate to lock into place. Align the light cover's lip to the light plate and rotate clockwise for it to lock into place. Install the remote's back plate to the wall using the included screws, then mount the remote to the magnetic plate. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. You can now control your ceiling fan from anywhere in the room using the wireless remote. To turn both the fan and light on and off simultaneously, press the Globe logo button at the top of your wireless remote. To only turn the fan on or off, press the fan button in the middle of your remote. Once on, you can control the fan's speed by pressing the numbered buttons. For directional control, press the relevant arrow buttons. To push cool air down, press the button with the 3 arrows down graphic on the left. To circulate warm air, press the button with the 3 arrows up graphic on the right. To individually turn the fan's light on or off, press the bulb button located in the lower half of the remote. Once on, you can increase or decrease the light's brightness using the up and down arrow buttons. Use the 2 up and down sun buttons to cycle through the 6 available white lighting options. Select the light you need, whenever you need it, with Globe's Ambience Select. Globe, the creative energy company.